Vers mi-décembre, on a incendié une baleinière, deux plutôt, de l'Ange de Jéhovah, un vedette qu'on avait doté au gouvernement provincial. C'était au port de Makumbi. Après un moment, il y a eu encore des désordres, des tueries de passagers, de nos clients, ainsi de suite.
What our investigators gathered on the ground were many accounts of the Congolese army, the Congolese national police, and local administrators working in conjunction with this newly created militia, the Banamura, in attacking villages, often along ethnic lines. And one of our great concerns is that what is already an extremely grave situation could spiral further out of control, and in particular along ethnic lines.